We all love the way babies smell, but most importantly, we all want baby soft skin. If you think that is impossible, then think again. Baby products can be definitely used by adults too. It is 98% minerals and 2% fragrance, which makes it perfect for adults to use. It makes your skin feel soft, healthy and beautiful. In today's episode of POPxo Skincare Secrets, we'll talk about the benefits of baby oil and its multiple uses. Baby oil is rich in nutrients. But did you know that it can actually help in removing your makeup too? Just take some baby oil in a cotton pad or your hands and rub it all over your skin. If you have a baby wipe, gently wipe off the residue and rinse your face with a cleanser. Baby oil not only helps in moisturizing your skin, but also helps in removing waterproof makeup. Regular use of baby oil can help in moisturizing your feet. The vitamin E properties in baby oil is a great remedy for cracked feet. Heated baby oil works best for affected areas. Before you go to bed, just apply baby oil to your feet and wear your socks. If you have sensitive or dry skin, then baby oil will be your best bet. The natural ingredients help in soothing your skin and the rich formula helps in restoring your skin's moisture. The pores of your skin open as soon as you cleanse. So apply baby oil to your skin immediately after you shower to lock in all that goodness. We all have a habit of washing our hands throughout the day. But have you ever realized how dry that makes your hands? Using baby oil on your hands and cuticle will help in moisturizing them. Dip a Q-tip into baby oil and massage it on your cuticles every night. This will keep them healthy and moisturized and will also add a natural glow to your nails. No matter how carefully you apply your nail paint, it always ends up crossing the perimeter of your nails. Baby oil can actually help in getting the perfectly painted nail. Just apply some baby oil on the skin around your nail. You can use a Q-tip or an old nail polish brush to do this easily. Now when you paint your nails, all the extra will not go to your skin directly, but will go onto the oil around your nails. Once your nails are dry, you can simply wipe off the excess oil and the messy nail polish. Baby oil ensures you have soft, pink and glossier lips. Mix baby oil with sugar and little lemon juice. Gently massage the scrub onto your lips. This will help to get rid of dead skin and will hydrate your lips. Use this remedy in the night or in the day when you're not wearing lipstick. Baby oil can not just be used in your beauty regime but can also help in cleaning your makeup tools. Just like your hair needs some TLC, your makeup brushes need some attention too. You can clean your makeup brushes with the help of some shampoo and baby oil. Fill up a large bowl with some warm water. Add a teaspoon of shampoo and a few drops of baby oil. Swirl your makeup brushes around the solution and rinse them off with warm water. Gently press and lay them flat till the bristles are completely dry. So that's it for today's video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. And for more such videos, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. And while you do that, don't forget to shop for some really cool merchandise and beauty products from POPxo.com. So shop away!